Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the United Star. United have just drawn 1-1 to Chelsea. A very, very interesting second half, a very dull first half by United. Our expectations were quite low, but holy fuck, so bad, so painful. Uh, just before we start, red letter day, Jadon Sancho, Jorginho's day to hide, Carrick's day to look to paradise and say he's unbeaten till now. So,
Jorginho
Priyan,
can sit at home and watch the World Cup from his house. Jorginho can
and
play
watch
his
the
sideways passes.
Ballon d'Or investiture ceremony from his house as well.
Jorginho can play his sideways passes and get the passing stats high. Jadon Sancho has shut him up.
Bro, Fred OP. Fred over
Fred OP
Jorginho.
has
So
to be the title of this video.
yeah, I mean Jorginho did
I've-
score the penalty, but भाई क्या खेला है फ्रेड ने आज, मजे ही आ गए
I
एकदम,
think
ऐसे
this is
लग
the
रहा है.
best performance I've seen of Fred in a United shirt. And if
Even
he's
though
going
he
to play
missed,
like this, if he's going to play like this under Ralph Rangnick, I don't mind playing him, man. He's just too
even
good.
though
Get in a defensive midfielder, play him alongside him, and there you have the real
yeah,
Fred.
that's what. अपना free role, he had a free role of number 8. We have seen with Brazil कि उसके साथ अगर आप Fabinho को खिलाओ, Casemiro को खिलाओ, तो he'll do very well. Today also that happened. He had Matic, he had McTominay alongside him. तो under Ralph Rangnick, मैं तो बहुत श्योर हूँ कि he'll perform very well. Even though उसने वो सेटर मिस किया था, सेटर था या मतलब उसको चिप करनी चाहिए थी
I
बॉल की,
mean,
नहीं
ठीक है
तो
वो मतलब I don't
या
think he
मतलब
had too
अगर
many
देखा,
options there because Thiago Silva had covered the space. So
but to put
I mean,
things into
ठीक है short
perspective,
attempt
but वो
किया,
था कि यार
but
वो मतलब एक विनर हो सकता था, तो मतलब मैं तो यही सोचाऊंगा.
I still think unlikely होता मतलब even if it was say Ronaldo on the ball, I'm not saying he would have scored for
हाँ,
sure,
of
but
course.
difficult chance था वो उधर से. I think the only option he had was to chip because
But he
Thiago
could
Silva,
have
like I said,
passed
had
it
covered
to,
the pass.
like,
No, he could have
pass
passed
it
it
to
to Lingard and he could
वो
have.
passing channel, हाँ maybe, but वो Lingard was behind him, so
हाँ,
it's
वो
probably
passing channel
difficult.
थोड़ा
No,
tricky था
actually,
because Silva had it
Lingard
covered.
was offside. Lingard was offside before the shot, but then he came onside. So had he
Yeah,
squared,
but
because
that
he
would
was
have you
in
would have
line
lost
with
the
Fred,
moment. You would have
had
lost
he
the
Reaction
squared
moment.
it to
time बहुत
Lingard.
कम था.
The moment would have been over. The moment would have been
Yeah.
over.
But
But
then Mendy
यार,
in 6'8", यार.
ठीक है मतलब goalkeeper chip होते ही हैं. He was anyway out.
but
Outside,
Priyan,
but
Fred,
he's
man, मतलब एकदम सही बात करिए. अगर if he plays like this under Ralph Rangnick, I think he'll be the center of attraction for everyone, like the nucleus of the team, if I may say that.
yeah, for sure. And I'm not only saying in putting in those crunching tackles, not only carrying the ball, not only putting that pass up to Jadon Sancho, which he really miscontrolled everywhere, man. I think it was a fantastic performance.
Look at
And he
the
was my man
way
of
he
the match.
presses, man. Like the way he presses high, like Gegan pressing is the way Ralph Rangnick tries to play, and I think in this team, Fred is the number one player who can play that role.
He doesn't try to play just to cut you in. He is gegen pressing. Ralph Rangnick is gegen pressing.
हाँ या भाई. अब वो तो अगर यहाँ यूनाइटेड आगे उसको पता चले या तो कोई प्रेस ही नहीं करता तो कैसे करेंगे फिर, ये भी तो बात है
I
ना.
mean, it will take time. It will take time.
हाँ, like from day one we can't expect him to inculcate those values into this team. Time लगेगा, but मैं कह रहा हूँ कि जरूरी नहीं है कि वही गेम प्ले खेला जाएगा रैग्निक के अंडर भी.
All I'm thinking about is if say no disrespect to Carrick, no disrespect to Solskjaer, but if a team can perform like this under playing with just vibes, with no real tactician in the dugout, no real footballing, like genius brain like a Klopp, Tuchel, Pep, who we say are the real geniuses. If we can play like this, all based on passion. This was just like we say vibes. This was all vibes.
This is all
they
vibes,
wanted to put in a performance today and they did it. They pushed for it, they fought for it, and they did it. If this is what we like, can, if our passion can carry us so much, just imagine if we combine this with a genuine tactician, a genuine footballing brain who can give them roles, assign them roles, tell them what they exactly have to do.
My question is, where was this intent? Where was this passion against Watford? Like we could see.
It's difficult to maintain something like this. Even in the preview of the game, I said I wasn't confident, but I also said that it's a derby. It's you could have.
It's a tempting Premier League clash. It's a tempting Premier League clash.
Not only that, it's a derby. Yeah, and you remember last season where last season where City were coming to Old Trafford, and if they beat us, they would have won the league, and we were in a horrible form that time. We
Yeah.
smashed them. It's just uh, you know, derbies are just different. Like you can't look into your form and you can't look into past games. A derby day is a derby day. Anyone can win. Be it we're playing Arsenal next. It's the same. Arsenal have been playing well. We've been playing okay. Although it's still Arsenal, I'm not going to be confident or anything. I just need the team to put in a shift, and that is the only way you can expect a result.
So Priyan, I'll come to Sid then. But finally, your man of the match and your key moment, of course, Sancho's goal. But other than that, your key moment in this game and your man of the match.
Man of the match, I think clearly was Fred.
Yeah.
And moment, I mean, come on, yeah, Jadon Sancho. This boy, he's so much shit everyone gives him for, being so, we paid so much for him, all of that. He's one of the best young footballers in the world, and he's shown that at Dortmund, and he has to prove himself again at United. But he's going to do it, and I have full confidence. He is the player that's going to take United forward. He's the next generation of this team, and it was such a big moment for him to get that goal and opening your account similar to Dan James, opening your Premier League account against Chelsea. It's just brilliant, man. Super pumped.
It didn't end well for Dan
mentioned,
James, did it?
You mentioned Daniel James. I think we were missing him a bit today because, the pressing and the
pace,
running around.
Yeah.
So that could have created some difference.
Yeah, I mean, but that's the only thing he offered.
Yeah, I agree. Like the footballing knowledge
really
isn't that good, but that aspect of his game was needed in this game. So, Sid, you did the watch along. ठीक है, कैसा लग रहा है? First half तो भाई क्या ही बुरा था.
Look, I'm telling you, if you sit right next to me, you can see my eyes are sort of red. I was very bored in the first half. I was waiting for you to come on at halftime so I could have a chat, because we were literally doing nothing. Our possession stats were terrible. It looked like Chelsea were going to score around 8 or something in the first half itself. They were absolutely brilliant.
Just to cut you in, like, I honestly don't think our first half was that bad.
Defensively, we were
course,
quite good.
Defensively,
defensively,
we were good. But
that is how we were set up. We were going
but then again, the number of crosses and all that Chelsea were putting into the box, the number of shots
but they always do that. I mean, they are in great form. They were anyway.
In fact, this is what I say. I think they would have been like 2-0 up or something had it not been for David De Gea saves.
But expectations हमारी ऐसी थी ना कि like we were expecting कि we were going to struggle. But ऐसा नहीं था कि यार हम shot नहीं मारेंगे. Only one shot. So total एक shot हुआ था first half में.
No.
तो उस aspect से बोल रहा है कि बहुत boring था.
Yeah, it was like from a Chelsea. So this is what I said. Even in the watch along, I said this. From a United fans' perspective, this half was very frustrating because we were sitting back. We were inviting Chelsea over. We were not pressing that much. We were not going to that side.
If you look at the average position of our team. If you look at the average position of our team, nobody crossed the half line. ठीक है, सब United की half में थे और Bruno Fernandes was way deep. Like Andy Mitten ने कभी tweet किया था कि MUFC के players अगर और deep जाएंगे तो Thames River में पहुंच जाएंगे. इतना deep खेल रहे थे अपने players. And I think that tells you that how bad we are defensively. A player like Bruno Fernandes, his capability, and he's sitting in deep. मतलब वो defensive work कर रहा है जो कि अच्छा है. But फिर अब अगर आप if we put things into perspective, उसकी creativity तो lack हो रही है ना आगे के लिए. आगे कौन है creative?
Yeah, but like what I'm coming. My point was that, like, you mentioned in the preview also, I mean, a game for Carrick was to maintain his 100% record, to not lose a game, and to do that, he had decided he would do whatever. When I saw the lineups, when he had not played Ronaldo, that is a big statement move on a manager's part to not play Ronaldo. You saw everyone. I mean, even I think Tuchel must have been shocked. Even the commentators, Peter Drury and all, they were saying that they wouldn't have done that themselves.
Remember when Ole did that against Everton and we drew 1-1? He got a lot of stick. So I think something similar happened today.
No, so Carrick had to. It's sort of a one game thing, like if I had to put all my eggs in a basket, I wouldn't take a risk to lose the game. I would rather set up defensively and not lose the game. If I could nick a goal, I would do that, but I would rather not lose a game than put everything and risk everything to win the game. And I think that is what Carrick did, and that is what that was the game.
Yeah, Sid. So quickly, your thoughts, can you sum up your thoughts of the game and your man of the match?
For me, it was 100. For me, it was David De Gea. I think he had another very good game. He saved our asses multiple times today. I think that penalty was an easy guess. He was going on that he would shoot to the left. Okay, I think that was an error of judgment, but it's fine. We can give him that. I think he's done very well throughout the season. But yeah, I think for me it has to be David De Gea, because if it wasn't for him, if it wasn't for him, I think we would be losing this game.
Yeah, I think David De Gea did save our asses, but like Priyan said, I think Fred has, if not the best, one of the best performances of his game.
No doubt. I'm
no, but मैं तो अपना man of the match कह रहा हूँ कि तुम्हारा man of the match David De Gea, मेरे लिए man of the match Fred था, because you can't expect Fred to give in these performances on a regular basis, but Rangnick के अंडर आएगा तो maybe वो कर सकता है ये सब. But yeah, Sid, go on.
Who knows? No, that's what I was saying. I'm not denying that Fred didn't have a good game. I said also, credit where credit's due. He's done his best. He's done a good job. But I think for me, it has to be David De Gea, because then without him, so where would we be this season?
Definitely, I think. ठीक है, बढ़िया game था. Jadon Sancho was on the score sheet. Fred did quite well. David De Gea saved our asses as always. Jorginho scored a penalty. Second half was very entertaining with all the yellow cards that Anthony Taylor was giving. Rudiger भाई क्यों उछल रहा था इतना? First half के end में भी इतना उछल रहा था.
Rudiger जानवर. Even the clearances you see that he's
you saw the goal attempt that he did. वो crossbar को लगा था जो.
Yeah, he's an absolute जानवर बोलते हैं ना. He's absolute animal.
Workhorse, मतलब बहुत बढ़िया प्लेयर है, बट बहुत उछल रहा था अननेसेसरली. ठीक है, लड़ने के लिए मैं होता तो 2-3 मुक्के भी मार चुका होता. Not that I condone violence.
That's what Scott McTominay was doing. He sort of stood up to him and क्या चल रहा है तेरा? पागल है क्या तू? That's what I like. That's what I really liked about Scott McTominay today. He sort of stood up to all the Chelsea
first half में, I think ये first half में हुआ था, and I was like, मैंने tweet किया, हाँ भाई, fight that Jim Halpert tweet ना, fight. I was like, let's make it more entertaining. But yeah, 1-1 draw. I think we are still 12 points off the top. It's still not good enough if we talk about from a United fans perspective. But Ralph Rangnick's tricky Reds soon. But as of now, Carrick's unbeaten tricky Reds. Fred OP, Priyan, Sid, and I have reviewed this game. Hopefully, we'll be back for the Arsenal game. Yeah, we both will be back. Sid, like Glazers sacked Oli, we are sacking Sid. But yeah, I think Arsenal game, another difficult game, I think, because Arteta is in a good form. I think they defeated which team did they defeat today or
Newcastle.
Yesterday? Yeah, Newcastle.
Newcastle, yeah. We'll also defeat them.
Time will tell, bro. Time will tell. But yeah, I think this is it for the review game. Thank you for tuning into us. We are the United Star. Do subscribe to our channel. Do press on the bell icon to not miss any updates. Follow us on our Instagram and Twitter handles, and keep supporting Manchester United. GGMU. Till then, take care.